Today I am going to teach JavaScript variables. Here there is HTML code block. Here there is a button. When I click that button, check variables function triggers. Then inside this function, for checking purpose, I write alert and hit. I save this and run. Then check variables. It is working fine. Then in JavaScript, there are three ways to declare a JavaScript variable. Those are from var, from let, and also from const. First I am going to explain var. Var x equal to. I declare the variable. Then I am going to alert 2. I save this and run. It is working. In JavaScript, var has global scope. Without this function, I can write this alert x. Then while running the program, firstly line by line, then title, then after that this script will run. Then when I hit enter, that will alert 2. Just like that. But those are not, the HTML content is not loading here, because before loading this will trigger. But inside function things are not triggering because we don't click this button. That is var. In var, we can reassign values too. Just like this. We can add 2 alerts. Firstly, it will pop up 2, then 3. 2, 3. Then next type is let. Let is only work inside brackets. I can add let x equal to, then alert x. We can, in JavaScript, we can reassign to let value, just like this. Then this reassign. Firstly 2, then 3. But let has block scope. Then we can't alert outside brackets. Here there is an error. Here there is an error. This is undefined. Okay. The other thing is const. Here we can alert text. Here we can't reassign values in const. We can't reassign values. If I delete this, this is working. Okay. And also const has also block scope. Then x is not defined. This x is only valid inside this. Then this const has also block scope. One more thing in JavaScript variables, we declare let value. If we declare a let value, we can't redeclare a let value. Then there is a error. We can't this alert also because there is a error. And also we can't redeclare const value. We can't redeclare const value too. There is error. X has already been declared. We can't redeclare const value too. But we can redeclare var values. Here we can redeclare var value. I think you understand JavaScript variables. Please subscribe my channel.